There's nothing that beats a ride on a bike. The best part of Meghalaya, open road, very less traffic. Just throttle your bike. Okay, there are small turning points. To Wari Chora. Let me confirm to everyone, this is National Highway 217. Good morning guys, this is Dave once again from the beautiful South Garo Hills in Wari Chora. Beautiful morning, beautiful sun rising in the east just back of me. It's a very good and quiet place. Wow. Yesterday night we came all the way through that route. It was quite dark but was very interesting. We got our bikes all the way down to the extreme off-road and we came here. And this is the place I'm going to show you guys. We are staying here. This is called our place. The Wari Chora homestay in South Garo Hills. Beautiful place to stay whenever you visit Wari Chora, okay? So right now I will give you a tour, the place that we are staying, the Wari Chora homestay. Come with me. So I'm just touring my place. This is the same campus. Something is written over here. Great Mandrega has reached this part of the country. Beautiful place. Same project, all project. The same guy all around here. Okay, I guess that is one of the places of the owner of the homestay that we are staying is also having a campsite over there, I guess. Okay, great. Beautiful place, all green around. Great. Beautiful place, beautiful people, all too good. ऊपर क्या है भैया, टेंट है क्या?
हाँ टेंट है।
ओके,
ज़्यादा नहीं है, 4 है।
4। ये क्या जो यहाँ पे आता है उसके लिए है कि कोई भी रह सकता है?
नहीं,
जो ऐसे घूमने आता है।
हाँ।
ओके।
वो अभी जगह चाय होगा ना है हाँ होगा ऊपर भी है कैंप साइट
कैंप साइट राइट
हाँ
सेम आप लोग का ही है
हाँ सेम है
ओके kittens in their natural habitat. Oh my god. Off-roading हो तो ऐसा या तो डेली करा काम बे टेंशन है नहीं
मैं 1900 दिया मैं आने के
extreme off-road extreme trekking finally the sound of the stream Wari Chora here we come come slow brothers the Wari Chora stream we have finally reached the starting point awesome Wari Chora one has to be very careful while going down wow look at this guys Wari Chora